Hey everyone, welcome to Dad's Got This. Today we'll share some do-it-yourself home and auto tips. Let's dive in.
Alright, showing you the weather stripping on a 70L Camino. These are the new pieces that come with your kit. You get two for the weather stripping. And you notice that this one has red dots and this one has green dots. So to figure out if there's a right or a left, and back to your car, and when you take the old one off, you're going to see it's going to pull it out, and you'll see right there, there's a red right here, maybe red for right. If you go to the other side, pull this back, you will see there's a green. So that tells me the red goes on the right side and the green on the left. So now that's how you can tell the difference between the two that you get. So look for that, a red and a green in your kit, and put it on the right door. Hope that helps.